Some people talk about changing, but deep down inside, they don't want to change. They're comfortable right where they are, but constantly complain about their circumstances. Others believe that change is much too hard. It's overwhelming. It's much too time-consuming. Once these individuals accept this viewpoint as true, that belief has a major impact on their decisions and the outcomes they achieve. While others who want to change are stuck in old habits, also known as habitual programs. Some of these individuals have spent large sums of money on books and tapes to help them to change. Months later, the books are half read, and the tapes, who knows where they are. For them, change becomes more and more elusive and frustrating. The comfort and safety of their habitual programs is very powerful. So they plan to try even harder. They wish and hope they will be able to change. They believe their failure to change is a lack of discipline. However, they quickly realize the more discipline they try to apply, the more elusive change becomes. Change doesn't happen because we wish for change or wish to change. Too many people believe change occurs incrementally over time. This is the 21st century. You don't have the time to stand in line or pay any dues. Here's the key to change. Habitual programs can be upgraded like upgrading computer software. The way to upgrade habitual programs is by changing your model of the world. That's what my Complete Transformation Workshop is all about. The workshop provides revolutionary leaps by understanding how to change your model of the world. Once you understand how it's done, there'll be no stopping you. Ulrich Linhays, wishing you maximum success.